Breakfast, lunch, or even a snack, everyone loves a good bagel. To begin, scale all of the ingredients for the fermented dough precisely and bring to room temperature. Follow the fermented dough methodology. Allow it to ferment overnight. On day 2, scale all of the ingredients precisely and bring to room temperature. Calculate and adjust the temperature of the water to the required base temperature of 54 degrees Celsius. To prepare the final dough, combine the flour, salt, yeast, malt, water, and the prepared fermented dough in a stand mixer bowl. Mix on low speed for 5 minutes using the hook attachment. Mix for 7 to 10 minutes on second speed. The final temperature of the dough should be 73 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Test the gluten window. Remove from the bowl and round. Transfer back into a bowl and cover. Allow it to rest for 15 minutes at room temperature. Dust the top of the dough and gently loosen the sides. Flip it onto the work surface and flatten. Divide it into 8 150-gram pieces. Round each piece by cupping it with one hand until it becomes a smooth ball. Cover to the touch and allow to rest for 30 minutes at room temperature. Dust the top with flour. Create a hole in the center of each piece using your index finger. Stretch the dough by working in a circular motion with your fingers until you obtain a hole of 2 inches in total diameter. Repeat this process as the dough may retract. Transfer to a couche. Place in an unheated oven or leave at room temperature covered away from drafts. Proof for 1 hour. Then move into the refrigerator overnight. Scale the ingredients precisely for day 3. Preheat the oven to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the bagels from the refrigerator. In a stock pot, bring the water and honey to a simmer. Place a bagel into the water and honey mixture. Boil each side for about 40 seconds. Carefully remove using a spider colander and place on a cooling rack to drain. Top with seeds and transfer onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake for 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and place on a cooling rack. Enjoy our bagel recipe with your favorite accompaniments.